Guys, we've got the box ready now. As you can see, sulod mak, may go ka mak. Alright, that's the idea how big the box is. Si Mingay. Padala na Pilipinas ni. Remember kayo mak di Jabu? We did the same thing 5 years ago. It's so funny. So tigulang na kayo lang na siya karon.
Mata pa ko ato 16 ako.
Yeah. But yeah, that's the box, so that will show you and give you an idea how big the box is. And guys, we've already got one box here, guys. We've already wrapped it, so that's ready to go. So we're just waiting for that one, so they can both go. And have a look, guys. OMG. These are the clothes and stuff that we're going to put inside that box, guys. So it's just my clothes, Paris's clothes, Paris's toys. So, you know, we can send it to my niece. And this one, guys, we bought this one just to put in the box. And guys, but mas nagustuhan ni that, guys. Sino. Hinapag guys, oh, yung gusto ko mamarang. There's another one there, guys. So yeah, these are just the few things that we're going to put in the box, guys.
Kapay nang ayaw mo mag-alsaw dito. Kasi ibang tagak na lang ako yun sa taas na kanundong mo sa aking mo.
Because obviously, you know, we need to put more like coffee, because my mom loves coffee, shampoos, conditioners, and all that stuff, guys. So we'll just start it now, and then yeah, once we have all the other stuff, then we can close it and send it back home. So we always put towels under, guys, so keeps everything safe. And then, see? Wala na siya, guys. May na siya, guys. Sa warehouse, may nagsabaw sa ano, guys, packer. And yeah, she does it like this way. So there's more stuff that we can put in the box. See, guys, that's mostly jackets and thicker clothing. So yeah, by doing that, guys, just rolling it, you can create more space. You guys, ako uling sininat nan, guys. Grabe. Maghubo na gyud. Maghubo na ko ani kay wa na ko sininat, padala na tanan. Ba yeah, okay guys, oh. Grabe, to pagid. Kit kay guys, oh, ang Paris. Suot na siya sa akong pagmamangkon, guys. Tatling. Guys, lagi apil na ni mo, Mak. Kala.
Ila, ikaw ba
ipadala na sa Pilipinas, guys. Ano, tag di kasington.
Ayaw na masuot kung kilantan.
Lah, mara ka gituuban kung ikaw magsuot na ni ba. Grabe kay kuan baga.
Mag-makeup eh. Alam mo man akong gisuot pag anhi diriti ah.
Dalo ni mo balik.
Balik siya.
Kani siya, pwede siya. And guys, kanang Christmas ba kayo malamig ng simulang hangin ba ya? Di. Kuano na.
Mabot na dito. Summer.
Guys, this is the miscellaneous paper bag. So Mimi just cleaned up my bedroom, guys, and she decided to actually put this in the box and send to the Philippines. So we'll see what's inside here, guys, because she probably took some of my goodies. Look, guys, oh, headband. Ay. Libro, guys, the Paris, guys. It's more book. And my benefit chic carton. Napasulod anima? So have a look, guys. So the Hula bronzer that you can use for contouring. Have a look, guys. I hit the pan already. But these three are still, they're blush on, guys. But yeah, haven't really used them. So took that. Oh, I just got my elf lipstick. That's this. What else? Oh my god, guys, wait, charger. Grabe mo na siya, guys. Wait, tahal. Wala mo siya gipa labay, guys. Apple tahal, oh. What else in here? Oh, my Tarte liquid foundation. This is actually nice, ma. Oh, my Ben Nye concealer. So as you can see, there's still lots of products inside, guys, but I never use it, so that can go. Oh, Cerbulin cream, got that. This is Paris's headband. What else is in here? Vitamin C screen for my face. Oh, my toothpaste. See, guys, I don't, sometimes like I just keep buying new ones and I just forget that I still have old ones. See, still a lot left. My toothpaste, bronzer too. Someone's taking my Zoeva brush. Oh, my MAC. Cara ba kini color MAC? This is the Diva lipstick. Oh, what happened to? And this one is highlighter from Sephora, guys. NYX Time and Frame Brow Pomade. Oh my god, you got tips here, Mom. What's more in here? Paris's little bag. Paris doesn't use it. What else? Like Rimmel London blush, cream blush. Oh, this one is actually nice, Mark. This one is really good. Ala! Ang sarap na amak, labay na amak. Uy,
naman ilap. Ayaw, magamit ko.
No, ayaw ni Mark. Don't take this. You know, guys, this one here is from MAC. I remember the first time I came to Australia, maybe first year in Australia, I bought this brush, guys. This is my very first brush that I bought here in Australia, guys, and it cost me 80 Australian dollars for this. So it's not just because of that, that's why I would like to keep it. It's because, you know, this is sentimental value, guys, for that. I'll keep this. Napagay so, bit. So yeah, there's lots more over there, guys. Hair clips and everything. Are you taking this, Mark? Ayun, Mark. But yeah, guys, let's see. There's a few more there. And we'll see what's happening here. There you go. This is the situation here now, guys. The Parcel shoes. So one tip that we can give you guys is very important. So if you send something like this, guys, you can put whatever, like little things inside.
Bikini, guys.
Pakita na makbi. Pas na mo suot.
I-try doti.
Init ba sa Pilipinas, guys? Bi, try. Kuan ba?
Tiloy, yung may pula. Ito ko ba man akong may pula niyo?
Guys, so these boxes will be picked up tomorrow in the morning. So we'll just have to close this one box now, guys. Grabe ako mga guys. So, pilang mga paper bag. Pilang jud ah. But yeah, we're just in the garage, guys.
Ang kuwan ba ko ipataas? Ang bedsheet? Baga naman kayo.
Ma-close ka ni. May pag-apple tali mo katong black nga bag. Katong akong sa price line ba? Sa taas.
Ay, oo nga.
So this one is very well packed now, guys. They are pretty heavy, like really heavy, guys. But with these boxes, as long as you don't extend them, so that's what it says, do not extend. As long as it's not like, you know, how do you call it, like the shape is not wonky, that's fine. It doesn't matter how heavy it is. So that's my mom's name there, and the dress. That's box number 1, and this is box number 2. So this is the last one, guys, because Mimi had to go to the shop to get like coffees and shampoos and conditioners. And yeah, so this bag, I got this from Priceline, guys. Have a look. So it's a set with that little black pouch.
Mao, so tani mga ligo.
Yeah, this one is pretty cool actually. Have a look. It's so
iba
cute inside.
quality.
So when I purchase something like up, I think over $50 from Priceline, you get it. Ooh, you get this one for free. So yeah,
Pwede ipasilip sa inat.
yeah. Have a look, guys. We got milk, powdered milk, Parcel shoes.
Wala na dahil.
There's everything. Nah, Mimi put it inside. So generally they're just like clothes and food. Like Paris's clothes and my clothes and Mike's clothes. Because we have too much here, guys, and I'm so happy that, you know, we're able to do all these boxes so they can go to my family.
Asang one?
We're just gonna close it, guys, and we'll come back to you in a minute.
Kamas good nang.
Lama, pag-abot sa box dito mo, tuwa naman ka. Mo na ganyan pa sa lubong ka. Biyaan ako ni Minggay.
Diyan yung minigyan ito. Siya natin ang light.
Ito lang umano.
Light o kuwan?
Ang bagay kayang ano? Yung bugkos sa yung jacket.
Kilo? Tay?
Kaya sapatos na, guys. May part sa yung Kuya Mark.
Kaya?
Piki. Katong ko, anak. Katong ko. Baga, ang una. Guys, so nagkaon ko naan bread. Guys, finally the box are here. We're going out, so we won't be here when the courier comes to pick them up. So we just let them outside with all the paperwork and the boxes. So yeah, see you in the Philippines. Mak.
See you in the Philippines
See you in the Philippines box. They'll get there maybe around 6 to 8 weeks, I think. So by the time I'll get there, Mimi will be there. So
Don't talk about it. Don't talk about it yet. Mimi, go.